Welcome to Teach Us. Like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to utilize Schoology as an online platform. There are two ways that you can sign up. You can sign up using the website www.schoology.com, or you can sign up using Play Store by just downloading the Schoology app from the App Store. So today I am going to be looking at how to sign up using the website. So the first thing that you'd want to do is just go to your browser, and then you're going to type in www.schoology.com. Once you have done that, you're going to go to the menu icon, then go to sign up. There are three options that are there: instructor, student, or parent. In this case, I'm an instructor, so I'm going to be clicking that one. Now, what this will do is it will bring me to a page that will allow me to put in my personal information. These are the fields that I will fill out. The next step is to fill in the information related to where you work. Okay, so now that we're inside Schoology, this is what it looks like. So right beside the Schoology logo, you have some important tabs that you need to know: courses, groups, resources, more, and there is a message icon, a notification bell. Alright, so I'm just going to go into a little bit of detail what each tab, represents. So as it relates for courses, that's where the subjects that you teach, those will be there. So once you're able to go in and create your courses, once you click on that, you'll be able to see all the courses or all the classes that you teach. Groups tab would be any small group that you would be a part of or that you would have joined using Schoology. The resources tab is where you'd find information that other teachers that are a part of the Schoology community have posted, any work, etc. So in the event that you'd like to get access to maybe some quiz on a topic that you're currently teaching, that would be the tab that you'd go and search if there are any resources on that topic that you'd need, or any information as it relates to notes, etc., that other teachers would have posted. Now the More tab entails the App Center and the calendar. Now within Schoology, you have access to other resources that you can use to teach your students. For example, Edpuzzle, and you have other apps that are user-friendly to Schoology that you have access to, pending the type of plan that you have. Some are free with the basic plan, and the others would have been you would have access to them once it is that you have upgraded your subscription. Some of the other apps in there, then you just have to make a one-time payment to get access to those. The message icon allows you to correspond with your students, so you can speak with your students, you can message them, you can chat them. That's what the message icon is for. The notification bell would be for the students, so anytime you post any type of work, the students will see the notification there. And that's pretty much it, all the important tabs that you need to familiarize yourself with.